If you're looking to improve your workflow and optimize your processes, using Process.st's analytics can help you get the most out of your team's performance. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to use Process.st's analytics feature to fine-tune your workflows and ensure maximum efficiency. Stay with me until the end for a special bonus on how you can start using this software for free with exclusive bonuses you won't find anywhere else. Now, let's dive right into it. First, let's take a look at the core feature of Process.st's analytics, the ability to track and monitor your workflows in real time. This is vital for anyone looking to streamline processes. You can easily visualize how tasks are being completed across your team and spot bottlenecks in your workflow. Whether you're managing a team or optimizing processes solo, these analytics will save you time by letting you focus on what's working and what isn't. One of the most valuable parts of Process.st's analytics is the reporting feature. It allows you to generate detailed reports that break down how your workflows are performing, how long tasks are taking, and where delays are happening. This helps you pinpoint specific areas that need improvement. For example, if you're seeing that certain steps in your process are taking longer than expected, you can dive deeper into the analytics to identify why and adjust accordingly. Another powerful tool is the ability to track completion rates and see trends over time. With Process.st's analytics, you can assess your team's performance in real time, so you're never left in the dark about how things are progressing. This is key to making data-driven decisions. You can review historical performance and identify recurring issues that might be dragging down productivity. You also have the ability to filter your data by specific workflows or teams, allowing for a more granular view of how different aspects of your operations are performing. For instance, if you're managing multiple projects, you can compare performance across them or check which team members might need additional training or support. Now, here's something most people overlook. You can also use Process.st's analytics to identify trends in your workflows. For example, if you see a consistent delay in the completion of tasks within a specific project, the data might tell you that more time is needed for that particular process, or that there is a need for more team resources. This insight is essential for making adjustments and ensuring that your workflows are optimized for both speed and accuracy. Process.st also lets you track task assignments and see exactly which team member is contributing to specific bottlenecks. This can be crucial when managing larger teams or multiple workflows. By identifying who's causing delays, you can implement targeted interventions, whether that's through additional training or adjusting workloads. With this data, you'll be able to easily make data-backed decisions that enhance your team's productivity and ensure your workflows are as smooth as possible. And of course, being able to visualize all this data in an easy-to-understand format saves you a ton of time that you'd otherwise spend piecing together information from different sources. As a special bonus, if you click the first link below, you can get started with Process.st completely free, along with some exclusive bonuses that'll help you make the most out of your trial period. Don't miss out on the chance to experience how Process.st's analytics can revolutionize your workflow optimization. So now that you know how Process.st's analytics can help with workflow optimization, it's time to give it a try. With this software, you'll have everything you need to track performance, optimize your processes, and ultimately enhance your team's efficiency. Make sure to check out the link in the description to grab your free trial and start seeing results today.